Welcome, fellow wolves. Today, we'll explore the mysterious realms of yield farming and staking. These concepts can be as tricky as a wolf navigating a dense forest, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Let's hunt down the differences and see how they impact our crypto journey. Yield farming, my wolves, is all about maximizing returns in DeFi. DeFi is decentralized finance. We've already talked about this. Picture a wolf tracking the richest hunting grounds. Yield farmers deposit assets into decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or lending platforms like Aave. In return, they earn a share of the platform's fees or interest paid by borrowers. It's a relentless hunt for the best yields in the DeFi landscape. Staking, on the other paw, involves locking up crypto to secure a proof-of-stake blockchain. Imagine a wolf guarding the pack's territory, ensuring safety and strength. In exchange, stakers receive rewards. From an investor's perspective, both staking and yield farming might seem to serve the same purpose: committing crypto assets and earning rewards. However, they are distinct in several ways. Let's start with utility. Staking secures proof-of-stake blockchains like Ethereum, decentralizing and fortifying the network. Yield farmers, meanwhile, deposit crypto into DeFi liquidity pools, enabling services like lending, borrowing, and trading. Each serves a different role in our crypto ecosystem. Now, let's talk lockup periods. Yield farming offers flexibility. Withdraw your tokens from DeFi platforms almost instantly. But with staking, there's typically an unstaking period, ranging from a few days to weeks with some exceptions. It's like waiting for the full moon before making your move. What about risk? Despite claims of 100% safe strategies, both yield farming and staking carry their own dangers. POS staking is safer, but not without risk. Stakers face penalties for validator errors or financial losses if they can't sell during the unlocking period. Yield farmers, on the other paw, deal with impermanent loss, smart contract bugs, rug pulls, and more, often involving new and untested protocols. The hunt is thrilling but perilous. Finally, let's look at rewards. Generally, yield farming offers higher yields compared to the conservative returns from staking, which usually have APYs in the single digits. But remember, higher rewards come with higher risks and more complex strategies. It's like a wolf choosing between a sure meal and a more rewarding but riskier hunt. So, fellow wolves, we've navigated the dense forest of yield farming and staking. While some terms might be ambiguous and overlap, understanding these differences can help us make informed decisions in our crypto journey. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel. Keep howling at the moon and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.